Oh, have you had a new one?
Yeah.
And this one.
This is a surprise. I didn't know about this.
This is the RS 1.0.
Which is basically my race car.
RTR. Ready to run, ready to race, ready to do whatever you see fit. And it's very comparable to that price point of, say, like of a Phaser.
Yeah.
And it's probably a lot higher spec. Well, it's belt drive for a start. It's got much better geometry. Would be cool if there was a one make series or race series, right?
This is the basis of my race car, and my race car is fine. But what I like, I mean, that Lexus shell is horn,
isn't it?
Really nicely done. I could,
and it would probably go straight into GT class.
Yeah,
it's a coupe body, right?
Yeah.
So this
really nice.
This ready-to-run vehicle from YOKOMO comes pre-assembled, pre-built, pre-painted, pre-cut. Comes with battery and charger and radio.
Yeah.
The only thing that you'd have to do to get this on to your local racetrack, if that's what you're going to do, would be to throw a transponder in it.
Yep. And apart from that, it's ready to go.
Oops.
Just pull it up.
Like a Tiger body pins.
Yep.
Pre-painted. Mama San's done it, so she didn't mask up the windows, but she has put beautiful graphics. The decals. Decals or stickers?
Stickers. No, they're stickers. Decals are water slide.
Are they?
As far as I'm concerned.
Well.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me about your concerns.
No.
Let's have a look
I've got
here.
so many of them. Brushed motor, we don't know for sure, but we suspect it's 27 turns.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably
basically your normal YOKOMO Pro stock motor.
Yep. Rebuildable brush motor.
And a gyro.
Comes with a gyro as well, so it'd probably really help out a newbie. Probably if you're an experienced driver, you'd probably want to unplug that and throw that out.
Because I find them weird.
Yeah. I only ever driven one car with one, and that is the Model GT.
Okay.
The rocket car.
Yeah.
And it's weird. It is weird. But you can turn it off on that, the couple clicks of the remote. But yeah, look at this, all set up, ready to go. Mid-mount rocket ship touring car. A great way to get into racing or just in RC in general.
And you can upgrade it. There's lots and lots of bits.
Oh, Nan's trying to call. Nan! Yeah. Hang on. Oh, sorry, Nan.
No. I bet he's actually watching.
Probably.
Nan's actually watching and said, I'm going to ring him and see if he's got his phone on. I should ring you.
So there you go.
This will be a nice little car. So mine's got a few upgrades on it, but nothing too special. And mine works fine. It's just me that's
what's mine got? Mine's got sway bars. That's it. And the sway bar kit's available for this. The spool kit's available for this.
Yes.
There's an aluminium shock conversion that's available for this.
Yep, with the short shocks.
Top deck is something if you're going to run like a 21.5 brushless, something that I think you want to do. Either that or put the turnbuckle arrangement over the top here.
Yep.
Because we did have a clearance issue when we're trying to gear down to like 3-to-1, which you need for 21. But being a high revving brush motor wouldn't have that problem.
Wouldn't matter. So that's fine. So you got everything. It's all in there, ready to go.
In there. It's in the box, ready to go.
Officially
RS 1.0, ready to run. And I do like the bodies there.
I know.
It looks remarkable. Like it's just a single color. And sometimes single color looks crap, let's be honest.
Yep.
But this
is a nice car.
It's classy. It's not very you at all.
It's a champagne charcoal.
A champagne charcoal.
Yeah.